so our next one is going to be a flat. Also check the joint. I like to use the crown trowel too on flats, but you can use a regular trowel, doesn't matter at that point. So what I'll do is I'm just going to build up the seams. Simple as that. So same concept. So what I'll do is literally put them out in the middle, run it through, just like this, and like that. I'm showing it in slow motion so you guys can learn. Now I'm gonna wipe the top by pressing with a finger at the top. Now I'm gonna wipe the bottom, and now the center. Voila. When you apply the mud and you wipe, go with your body, don't go with the hand because you're gonna end up doing this. That's a big no-no. So just go with the body, boom. First coat, butt joint, flat is example.
Wait. Go.
The third example is gonna be a flat, a vertical flat. So same thing, check, very straight, this one is straight. If the flat is gonna wobble, that means it's a butt joint. And you're gonna have to build it the same way we actually done a butt joint. So this one here, I start from the bottom, put them out in the middle, and I go up. And again. I'll go as high as I can, so right here. So now, I'm gonna wipe the edge. I'll wipe the other. Now look the way I actually do it. I bend with my trowel. I don't go like this. I go straight down. That's it. That's the first coat of a vertical flat.